Downloading your timeline as Excel data is a simple process that takes just a few seconds. The first step is to go to the Office Timeline online homepage and open up the timeline you want to download. Now go to the upper right side of the screen and click Download. Here you'll see a preview of your timeline and you'll get the option to choose what type of file you'd like to download it as. Choose Excel, data only, and once your file is prepared for download, a window will pop up asking you where you'd like to save it. And that's pretty much all you need to know to download a timeline as Excel data. That's it for this video, but if you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the Office Timeline Support Center. Thanks for watching.